Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whenever you are. Welcome to a new DC live stream. I'm your host, Matt Batiri, here with you today with another altcoin technical analysis video. If you missed last week's stream, I definitely recommend you go back and watch it. I try and find 3 altcoins that I believe are going to 100x in the next bull market, showing you my strategy, a little bit of research that I use, and how I throw, a little bit of splash cash on those speculative coins because they can reward you, some really good returns. You can pick 10, 20, 30, you put whatever you can across. If it's $10 on each, it's $300, and some of them can, net you $1,000 return. So you only need a couple of winners in there to break even or even make money in the bull market. So just make some smart investments, diversify your capital, and you too can make it big in the next bull market. So with that being said, let's start the stream. If it's the first time that you've joined us, all you need to do is pop your favorite altcoin ticker or just name your favorite altcoin, pop it into the comment section. I'll do some TA on it. First in, best dressed. I thought whilst I'm waiting on the viewers to tell me how they or what they want me to do some TA on, I just want to have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is about to come up to really big resistance, and the resistance dating all the way back to the 22nd of May 2021. You can see that it was support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times during the course of the last year and a half. And now, and even after that, we did pop above it, but this was obviously a really good fake out by the bears, letting them push the price all the way this far, and then obviously brought it down even further. The key thing to look, though, is that Ethereum never went below its previous low made after the announcement. I'm pretty sure this was the war right here. Russia versus Ukraine war, but we never came back below. Whereas if we look at Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin basically did make new lows. We had this part right here, pretty sure it's the same part, yeah, June, and then we went lower, but Ethereum didn't. So that is definitely a good sign of strength for Ethereum. It never touched my logarithmic trend line, or did I have it on? Yeah, okay. So on order, even on order, Ethereum never came down to this trend line, which I was expecting at some stage of this bear market. But that being said, we are possibly in the midst of a mid-bear market rally, but we are going to more likely come back down for one more swing of the lows, I do think. We've had some really good weeks, but I think that this is just trying to get people a little bit too riled up. But hopefully you were DCAing at the bottom here. We were saying that these were good times to buy, but I still think we're going to come back down. And I hope that we do, because I did put some dry powder back into the market, but like always, you always want to put more in, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Make some profits as they've come in, obviously DCAing this entire time in any altcoin, and taking some profits now, just in case. So Ethereum is at resistance basically from when it formed its lows on the 18th of June last year. So it seems like a lifetime ago. We can see that basically during that entire time, it never then went too low, but now we're at the point of control. The most amount of Ethereum has been traded at this 15,800, which is resistance. So really big resistance for Ethereum. With Bitcoin, we have gone through the resistance, which makes me think if Ethereum is going to get rejected there, more than likely Bitcoin will also either lead the way or whatever. So interesting thing to look at, especially because usually the last bull run, Ethereum did lead the way. It was outperforming Bitcoin quite well, and the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio is also at resistance right now, or at the parity of where it's been trading the last few months. So that's also very interesting. For me, this smells like a good little pump to the upside. Even if we're going to get continuation, spoke about this, we need to have a bit of a retracement because we've gone up too fast, too quick, and we have not built any support. Hello. So Crypto Chick wants to see hello, or Ada would be great. No worries. Let's start with hello. I did check it out the other day. It was on a low cap market video that I did. I skimmed my eyes past it. I'm like, I should go check that out. So trading at 0.4 of a penny. It's obviously had a really good day yesterday, and now it's pulling back hard. So it's gone up. Let's have a look. 229%. And guys, this is why at Breakout Solutions, we invest in a lot of altcoins as the vehicle for making profits during a bull market and even a bear market, and reinvesting those profits into the harder assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, because those are going to be around for a long time. Whereas Hello, we don't know. I don't know too much about Hello, but they may be. Oh, why am I looking up Hello? Sorry about that. I was just in the Hello mind frame. So I saw it the other day because today actually. I think it was today I looked at it. And I saw it because I was starting to look at coins under $5 million market cap, because someone was asking me about the market. I said, look, I bet you everything's pumped. And I went through a couple of later pages in CoinMarketCap. You can see this would be page 9 or 10. And from here, I saw Hello, and I was like, okay, a lot of these coins have pumped 25%. Like this is pretty wild. So basically, like I said, at the start of this stream, you could put your money on 30 coins right now if you'd done it like 7 days ago. And on average, you probably would have got 25-30% returns on those altcoins. So it's about timing the market, but there's still plenty of time to still DCA in at low prices when we pull back. But looking at Hello, what I like about Hello, it's CertiK certified, so it's gone through an audit, which is great. Market cap is less than 10 million, which is even better. Circulating supply is completely out. This could be a coin that I will possibly get into. This could be the next 100x coin, purely for the fact that it ticks the 3 of my first 4 research things. The next thing is, if you want to see what the 4th is, look at last week's video. Last week's video, I show you a complete step-by-step guide of how I analyze low-cap market coins to see if they're a good investment. Hello has tweaked my interest. Where is it? It's on PancakeSwap. You know what? I might even buy some now. I just cashed out some money, so you guys are going to see me buy some Hello right now. We're going to go to PancakeSwap. We're going to buy a little bit of, there you go, Binance Smart Chain. So I copied the contract. All right, if you want to know how to buy this coin, you copy the contract right here. Alrighty, swapping. I've got some BUSD because I took some profits on some stuff today. It's not a lot, guys. Don't go crazy. You don't need to be. You don't need to make a millionaire. As I said, spread your funds across multiple altcoins, $50 to $100 over 30. It's gonna, whatever your budget allows you to. If you've got a $300 budget, $10 on 30 different coins, $10 could turn into 1,000 if you pick the next 10x. So I'm going to go max. I don't care. I do think that it's had a pullback. Perfect. I like that. It went all the way to 1. It's pulled back a little bit. This is just today. So now's a good time for me. So I'm going to then go here. All right. Paste Hello's address. Cake. What? That's doesn't seem right. Binance Smart Chain, yes, I've copied the address. Paste the address. There we go. I knew I wasn't going crazy. I was like, what happened there? All right. Boom. Scan risk, don't care, swap. Boom. Don't think about it. Buying some crypto online for you peeps. Yeah, $42. Yeah, sweet. So there's $42 that I've just put into Hello. Because I haven't even looked at the website yet. This is what I mean. I don't have time today. I'm just doing a bit of a demo. TV, arcade news, about us, Say hello to game-changing entertainment. Hello, Labs of Future Crypto and creating TV shows, games, NFTs, and much more. Again, built on the Hello token, allowing exclusive access to watch our shows. Like the concept, the website looks good. Tick, tick, tick. Scan, scan, scan. If you want to go dive deeper, let's see if they've got a Twitter or Discord. They do. There's a Discord. Let's see how many members are in Hello. 13,000 members. I can take that. I'm happy with that. 13,000 is good. Damn, I just closed the website. So 13,000 is good. Let's go back. Let's go Twitter. How many Twitter followers I got? 52K. Pretty good. Tick, tick, tick. What else? What's this? Is that Medium? Market cap. Let's coin market cap. Telegram. You could go to Telegram. I'm not going to do that. Let's go YouTube. They got a YouTube channel. Okay. 7.1K subscribers. All right. So we're getting somewhere. Look, I just threw $42 at it. Didn't want to think too much about it. Looks good from what I saw. Let's go all time one more time. Was released in October 22. So in the midst of the bear market, this thing gets released. Maybe earlier. Maybe this is the only how far the token goes back. You could have snapped it up at 0.4 of a cent. It's now 9, so it's only doubled. It's gone 100% since the bottom. Hey, look, we just saw a coin before that went 250x. So Hello now going, or did I already do that? Hello. Yeah, sorry. Hello went 229, so that's why I got into it. But it's had a bit of a pullback. So I don't know if we'll get much tech TA on this thing. Yeah, look, I'm just throwing a couple of bucks at it. If it comes low, I'll buy a couple of more. It looks fine. It looks just fine. It's a new coin. It's hard to do any TA. Look at this thing. Like it doesn't, let's see if we can find another ticker. It doesn't look like it's been out for a long period of time. Like, yeah, it's not on many blockchains. So where are we? Where's it trading? Yes, just trading on that. So, hey, thanks for the tip, Crypto Chick, and hopefully it pays off. Okay, there's also news about Ethereum about the Shanghai upgrade. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, if it's a good update, maybe we blast through the point of control, and if not, then we don't. So, all right, Engine, like Engine, it was a coin that made me some good money last bull markets. I will look at it. Let's quickly go all time. Supply completely out, guys. Another thing to look at, supply completely out means the token cannot depreciate by adding more tokens to the system. All right, so it went all the way to $4 during the last bull market. Wasn't around for the last bull market. Oh, it was, but just as it went. Okay, what did it do? From 2 cents to, okay, so it still did like just a 15x or something in the last bull market, and then absolutely skyrocketed. So now at currently 37 cents, you're looking at 4.2 divided by 0.37. You're looking at an 11x back to its previous all-time high from here, which is doable. It's a gaming coin. It was very popular in the last bull market. It's got a lot of followers, so definitely one of my picks. Don't take this as financial advice, but it was in. I'm just being open and honest. It was in my portfolio. It wasn't it's not now, but I might look at it. I might look at it again. It's on plenty of exchanges. There's lots of liquidity. Yeah. It's a good coin. If I had some more, I don't even have. Lucky my MetaMask doesn't pop up, or did it pop up? Maybe it did pop up. I shouldn't do that maybe on stream, but that's cool. It's only an address. You can send me some crypto if you like. So let's move on. Let's look at Engine. Engine. You can see it's got a little label. Okay, so it's hit a daily, but it has crossed. Look, it's looking bullish. I'm not going to say anything else. It's looking pretty good, but everything is right now. We're going to see some higher prices, hopefully, with Bitcoin. You know, we pull back a little bit, 19,500, and then we continue onwards to 25K. These pumps is just the start of the altcoins. Yeah, like it's looking bullish. There is some bearish divergence here, but so does Bitcoin. That's why I think Bitcoin's is due for a bit of a pullback. Looks like this could also pull back, so we might be able to snap it up. Where's a good snap up spot? So right now, because we're bullish, the 382 at 32 cents. So if I was to set some orders for Engine, I'd put some orders at 32 cents. Hopefully we get that filled. And then the next level I'd have a buy order is 28 cents. So 32, 28, especially since I believe that the Bitcoin prices should continue for a little bit longer, even after a pullback. Sorry, I have a quick drink. I've been talking all day. My mouth is getting real dry. So that's where I'd have some buy orders for Engine, but yeah, it looks good. Just like everything else. Look, there's a few coins that haven't been pumping, but hey, this is one of the coins where I think we're going to get some continuation as well. All right, ALBT Alliance Block. ALBT. All right, Alliance Block. Circulating supply 23%, wouldn't touch it. That's one of the things against it. Has had a pretty good pump. Let's go all time. So it went all the way to $1.20. So we're at a 12x from where it is. So if it just needs a 12x to get back to its previous all-time high. So if it's a decent coin, it will do. It's CertiX certified. Tick number 2. Let's have a look at it. But look, the circulating supply, I'd have to look at why the token. Here we go. You'd have to look at the tokenomics, like understand the token. I'm not going to read through this now, guys, because it's way too. This is supposed to be short. I don't want to go through this. But you'd read this, you'd figure out why this token supply is so low. Why is there a slow release? Blah 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 blah. And see and see who's holding what tokens. How much is given to the developers, blah, 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 marketing, et cetera, et cetera. So you just got to do your due diligence, but this is not good. That's just my 2 cents. This is good. This is healthy. So people believe in it, which is great. Once again, go to the website, go to their Discord, see how many community members there are, how many followers on Twitter, et cetera, and go from there. I did 6.5. Don't know what that means. TradingView has it. Yep. I just did it, ABT. It's all good if circulating supply is 100%. All right, so Crypto Chick will go do Ada now because she requests Ada. So we're going back to the top because no one else. You're too slow there, Dennis. PRQ, too slow. So this is the same chart as, the indicators are exactly the same on this as they were on Engine. So things are looking good. Now, I'm spewing because as you can see, these yellow lines, I have talked about ADA the last few months, and the yellow lines were my buy zones. And I'm a bit spewing that we didn't get to 20 cents, but I did buy at 38. But you could have seen I would have got a nice DCA if that came a little bit lower. So a little bit angry about that. I didn't even know. This is the first time that I've seen that I didn't get some of my buy orders. But yeah, look, it's going to find some resistance here because we had 1, 2, 3. And then came back and retested. Like we had a few times, this was support. It's going to turn into big resistance. So, 38 cents max for ADA in the short term. But look, it's breaking away from its long-term downtrend. Let's draw a line, trend line from the top here. Boom. And it's also resistance. There you go. See what a keen eye I have and spotted that real quick. Let's see if it's a descending broadening wedge. It looks like it could be a little bit. So it's a bit of a wedge, which is a bullish pattern, but we need to break this, and this is going to be hard to break, especially because we're at the value area low of the where it's been traded. Let me double check. Yeah, so the value area low. So the most amount of Bitcoin has been traded in this price range between 58 cents and 40 cents. So this lower end is going to act like a support line, resistance line. So even if we break that, we're going to have to break that. Yeah, it's going to be really difficult for Cardano to blast through that. That's why I think we need a bit of a pullback in all markets. Give people the opportunity to get back in. All right, PRQ is going to be my last one, guys, because I am exhausted. So let's do PRQ. Well, it's very similar to what I just did. Same chart as Cardano. You got your trend line, boom. Don't have to be too crazy with it, but we're going to find a little bit of resistance. We're at the value area high of its, trading range since the lows. So it's found resistance. See how the value area high here provided resistance. We wicked up and then came back down. The value area low also is good support. So PIQ looking bullish. We'll have a big breakout to the upside if we break the downward trend line. So that's a positive. And the other indicators, yeah, we're in the green money flow, stochastic RSI, normal RSI are both overextended and overbought. So I think things need to cool off, and I've been saying that last few days. So we should see that, and then a continuation once we retrace a little bit. That would be the optimal thing, and that's what I think will occur. I think we're in the midst of a mid-bear market rally, which is cool. All right, guys, that is it from me. I want to thank you for attending the live stream. If you haven't done so, leave me a like. That'd be really appreciated. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the different coins that you would like me to do some TA. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We come to you live every single day, Monday to Friday, with educational content on Saturday and Sunday. But once again, thank you for attending, and I will catch you guys next week for the next video. Peace.